What up, guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video. So today, guys, I'm going to be showing you guys what's inside of a 1930 Ford Model A. Basically, it has original paint, original wheels, original headlights, and basically let's go ahead and start off by looking at the engine. Also, guys, you might want to turn down your volume before I open this because it is old, so it's somewhat rusty. Basically, no one has taken care of it in basically maybe 5 or 6 years. Because my grandpa passed away, that's who owns this. So, and we're about to give it away in an auction, which I don't want to because with the ad revenue that I make, I want to try to fix this. Like, we got some parts that I can fix it with, but yeah. So. Okay, so there we go. There is basically what the engine looks like. It's not much. It's basically what the engine basically looks like. If you guys know more about Model A's, just let me know in the comments. Basically, is this all the engine? Because so far what I think, this is basically all the engine was. Unless he goes all the way up to here, and that's what this goes to. But yeah. This is basically what the engine looks like for Model A. So let's go and close that. Also, again, guys, turn down your volume because this will be loud. Okay, there we go. Now let's just lock that up. Okay, there we go. Got that all locked up. But like I said, guys, this is original paint. And the original tires. Let's go ahead and take a look at that. Also, guys, sorry for all the mess. And this is your spare tire with your rear bumper. The rear bumper of a Ford Model A looks weird and all. Also, real quick, what's underneath here? Okay, so that looks like an engine for a Model A or something. That looks like an engine. So that is probably the engine. But trying to get back here. So yeah, this is more of a look of it. Has a Ford emblem. Pretty nice. All chrome. And yeah. Trying not to trip and stuff. So yeah. Okay. So crap. But so yeah, the original horn, basically what the axles look like, and then the original bumper. Also, the guy, sorry for covering up the camera, I'm just trying to change hands. And so basically there is the exhaust back there, and there's that. Got the original lights. I believe this was for oil, and that was your gas cap. Not sure, they don't have a label for it. Also, I think this was the crank. So yeah, so guys, sorry for all the mess in there. It's just how we last had it. And also, I think this might be a soft top, you guys. Very soft and stuff. Also, for some reason, I love this interior because it's like a red blood leather. It actually really matches the paint really well. Also, back then they didn't have no lights for their cars and no AC, so you could imagine how hot this car would be. So I'm just gonna take a seat here. The seats of a Model A are actually pretty comfortable. I would actually want them in an actual car. So yeah, we got that was. Also, guys, sorry for the basically no light and stuff. I cannot basically make there be light. So we got the steering wheel. Steering wheel turns. Tires are just flat, so I can't really turn it that much. You got your shifter. looks like there was only, so that'll be neutral, drive, reverse, drive, neutral, and then park, or whatever this was. I think this is your emergency brake. Okay. So then, don't know what that this was for. Comment down below if you guys know what that was for. We got whatever this is. I believe this was to turn on your headlights. Whatever this was for, just probably for your turn. Well, they didn't have turn signals, I believe. Don't know everything about this Model A. For some reason, the most in shape, basically thing is the rear view mirror. Surprisingly, this is in perfect shape, basically no scratches whatsoever. For a 1934 Model A, this is actually pretty good of a condition of a mirror. Also, look how small the windshield wipers were. That would probably not even get you maybe that much of a cleaning spot. But this is basically how you would turn on your windshield wipers. It's from this thing. Don't know how you would activate it. I think you pull out or you spin it. I'm not sure. These you could like raise or something like, or raise or push out the front window. And basically, this is basically what your dashboard looked like. Pretty insane. Let's take it into the light. Okay. Also, guys, it is a bit rusty because it is old. I need to put some polisher on it, fix it up, get rid of the rust. But it had 91,188 miles on it. Dang. I'm pretty sure that is your battery, I believe. Then you got your on and off switch. I believe right there would be your clock, and that would fit right onto here. Right there, that's how it would fit. I'm not gonna let go because I don't want it to break. Okay, there we go. So that's basically what your sensor, that's what your thing looked like. Plus there was no radio, nothing in here. No AC or anything. No airbags, no seat belts. So this is basically, you'd be going 50 miles per hour, and people back then thought that was fast. Yeah, that ain't fast. Nowadays, there is a car that could go almost 300 miles per hour. So, yeah, that's not that fast. And they thought 50 miles per hour would kill you. Well, I can see that because there's no airbags or seatbelts. So yeah, this is basically a death trap on wheels. And for a 1930 Ford Model A, so let's just lock it, and oh my god, it's just so hot in here. But for a 1930 Ford Model A, the windows actually still work, surprisingly. But we have a bunch of junk back there that is pointless. That's what was supposed to go in the front, because at the end of the video you guys saw how it basically looked and how basically damaged it looked by rust and stuff like that. So over there is another 1930 Ford Model A. Not going to go and show you guys that because it's all rusty and messed up. Nothing works in there pretty much. It looks like trash, as you can see by back there, where it's basically torn up, the roof's gone, it's caved in right there from a bunch of stuff up there. And yeah, that is not safe for me to go in there, and there's a bunch of crap in there. Also a bunch of more parts that we could work with. This is like the one, this is the intact, safe one. But you got your gas and brake over there. You guys won't be able to see it because of the light. But Over there is your brake. And not sure what this is supposed to be, or this. And yeah. Oh yeah, right there would be your, right there's the battery. Yeah. 1934 Model A is actually a pretty nice, clean car for like how this looks and how bad it sort of looks by like the interior. But this seat is torn up. It's just from cats like scratching at it and picking at it. Because my grandma has wild cats. Well, basically outdoor cats. So they climb up through the floor, hop up on the basically shifter, and basically hop on the seats and just go ham on the seats. But yeah, the roof matches the seats, and yeah. So in here you only had one mirror, and that's it, and a rear view mirror. So you basically didn't have that much basically surround basically what you can see by your surroundings. So basically some people would mostly try to move their mirror, if you could even move this unless it's rusted, but people probably would try to move it over to this side. That's what I would do, is basically turn it to face the middle, so then when I need to back up, and then turn it this way so that this way, if I guess I'll cover it on my camera, turn the rear view mirror to this side so then you can see who's coming up right behind you. Basically how these looks, basically where like they basically are curved, so it's weird how their view was. I need to hold it on the other side, but yeah. So let's hop out. Also, you could do the you could also roll down the back windows, which these have to be the biggest windows that could be rolled down. Also, I need to come in here and clean out this before my grandma's auction. I'm not gonna say where it's at and the address because that's not gonna be good for safety reasons, and basically it's just for her town and stuff like that. Basically she puts it in a newspaper and stuff. But yeah, original stuff. Right there was gonna be the new battery right there, and so there's what that looks like. Yeah, that's why I'm not gonna hop in there, because there's no way that I can fit back there. Also, my grandma also owns a 1965 Shelby Colbra. Basically, the story is that my grandpa was trying to build it since the, I believe, 80s from scratch. So if you guys want to see that, it basically has the body and the frame, the engine, the wheels, steering wheel, and all that. If you guys want to see that, just leave a comment down below. I need to make it before October 5th. That's when my grandma's auction is, and before that. So yeah, I had to make this light go tiny, and basically have it where it's like, let's set the light goal basically like maybe 15 likes, and I'll basically make that video for you guys. Or I just might make it before that, before they pull it out, and I have to be in the burning heat. But yeah. But yeah, guys, if you guys did enjoy that video, guys, make sure to leave a like and comment down below if you guys enjoyed. Like I said, let's get 25 likes on this video so then I can go make a video on that 1965 Shelby Colbra. It's a pretty nice car and a really rare car. Definitely, if you're building it from scratch, the value should go up. And yeah. So, and basically, I couldn't basically make any of these run obviously, because they're old and basically old cars need a lot more care and work for. Like basically, if I got this all running, I basically would need to have it running each morning just to keep it at a constant speed of having it run better and stuff like that. And yeah. And so yeah, make sure to subscribe. Also guys, thanks for 3,000 subscribers, guys. I can't believe 3,000 of you guys have subscribed to my channel and enjoy my content. I cannot believe it. It means the world to me that you guys enjoy my content and that I have this opportunity to have a big congregation as a 15-and-a-half-year-old, of having that big of a accomplishment, it being done in 2.5 years is amazing, because I started this channel when I was 13. Very cringy content. If you guys want to go check out that and make fun of me, basically cringy content, this is probably cringy, and the content that I now create is pretty cringy, if you guys would say that. But yeah, I cannot thank you guys enough that you guys gave me this opportunity. And my goal of YouTube basically is to be big and basically have a good time and enjoy what I'm doing. But you guys, if you guys want me to give you like a couple tips of basically how to basically make your channel grow on YouTube, just leave a comment down below and I'll make that video for you guys. And yeah, this is Darkness_Gaming signing off. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.